Hi guys, I know I look crazy, but I just wanted to quickly come here and inform you that I have finally booked my installation day, sorry. Yes, it's going to be next Saturday. No, it's going to be next Friday, the 29th. It's going to be on Friday, Saturday and Sunday, or maybe Friday and Saturday, it depends. And I have finally decided to go for the trainee consultant that I had a consultation with the first time. It's a long story. I mean, if you see my previous video, you will know what happened. I saw a few consultants and I even considered microlocks, but when I was almost about to give up, well, I found this loctician that was gonna do my hair. I had already booked a date as well, and she hadn't even charged me a deposit for the date, which was really cool. However, I had this problem. Well, yes, because anyways, I had to cancel that one for a reason. And then I got contacted by the trainee, and she just asked me whether I had already found someone to do my hair. I told her no, and I told her I was going to do microlocks at the end. I explained a little bit, and then she said to me that well, she gave me a great offer. She offered me a price, and I couldn't say no. So after I accepted, she said to me I should go back to her house the following weekend for her to look at my hair again and familiarize with my hair. So I went there. She did test locks again, which I've got here because I had took them off. I took them out, the other ones I had, and we have booked the installation day. And seriously, I'm so excited. I can't wait. I just can't wait. I can't wait. I also bought the sisterlocks shampoo to wash my hair before the day, and I'll come back hopefully next weekend to show you the results. I've got many worries. The first one being my hair is thin, you know, it's low density thin, whatever you want to call it, and I'm scared of looking in a way that I won't like. So secretly I've been thinking of ways of covering my hair already, which I know is not good. I'm not gonna wear wigs, but I was thinking that maybe I get a few wraps or something. I don't know. I just need to make it work because I know my scalp is gonna be visible, but I'm just not used to it. So I know it's gonna be kind of difficult at the beginning until I get used to it, or until it gets a little bit thicker, or I don't know, but it's my biggest worry. Hopefully it goes well. Yeah, nothing else. That's all I wanted to say. And also I'm worried about dull looking locks, because I realized that most of the locks I've seen in the street, they look so dull, but when I see them on videos or pictures, I know maybe it's because of, you know, you're seeing it in a video or in a picture, but they look different. So I just hope that the locks I've seen in the streets, or micro locks or whatever, are dull because maybe they're not taking good care of them. I don't know. I just don't want my hair to look dry, dull, and dusty. Yeah, that's another thing that worries me. Well, so hopefully I'll see you next weekend, and I'll show you what my hair looks like. All right, you guys take care. Enjoy your weekend. Have a good night. Bye.